Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This week we're gonna be cleaning my bedroom. I hope this motivates some of you. I wanted to share a package that I received with you before we get to cleaning. I get my cleaning supplies from Grove Collaborative and I've been doing that for the last 2 years and I love it. So easy for me to do it that way. I basically get the same items every time. Sometimes I venture out and try new things, but I stick to what I know. These are some of my favorites. If you want a detailed review of Grove, let me know in the comments below. I would do that. If you are interested in doing a subscription with Grove, I would have a link in the bottom, the description box, and you can go check that out. And also this week's video is a collaboration with Amanda, Mrs. Cook Cleans. She has an amazing YouTube channel, motivational cleaning and organizing videos every week. You will love her channel. Make sure you go show her some love. Like and comment in the videos and subscribe as well. Let her know Ethiopian Mom sent you. I would also have her channel link in the description box below. I know bedrooms can be a challenging place to keep clean, and we all need some motivation sometimes. You have no idea how many cleaning videos I watch on YouTube before I start cleaning sometimes. So my sheets were washed the day before, and our comforter is also at the dry cleaner, so I don't have to change my sheets today. So I just pick up everything for my bed and start making my bed. So our regular down comforter is at the dry cleaner. So I'm using this off-white comforter. I think I put it the wrong way. It was just a little small for our bed. So you're gonna notice it's short on one side. But there's a regular down comforter that we always use that's in the dry cleaners. And I usually just change up the look by using different duvet covers. So this is a throw blanket. Since it's summertime now and it's pretty hot, we don't usually use it. Sometimes I make my bed a different way with it. I would show you maybe in a different decorate with me video, but this is a simple way that I make my bed. I think it makes a difference, and there's a feeling about walking into your bedroom and where your bed is like just made nicely. I am a flight attendant and I go from hotel to hotel all the time, and I love having that look in my home if I could. Also, some of those throw pillows are from Home Goods. I got them a little while back. I'm not sure of the pricing, but I like them, and you could also change up the look by changing the throw pillows or the sham. This is what I'm using right now. You would notice my bedroom is pretty plain and simple and not too much stuff in it. I would come back in another video and do a decorate with me, since there's gonna be some changes that I'm doing to this bedroom, so stay tuned to that. So So once I finish making my bed, I'll move on to wiping down my nightstands and the lamp for any dust. I also will be cleaning the windows, and the product I use for this will be the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner. So, since our home is a little older, the closet space in the house was not that spacious, and we had some clothes to put away. So, we decided to put this wall to wall wardrobe to the IKEA Pax closet. We love it, it was a lifesaver. If you would like a closet organized with me and you want to see what the inside of this wardrobe looks like, leave me a comment in the bottom. If some of you are interested, I would definitely do another video of organize my closet with me. I think you would love how it looks on the inside. It keeps us pretty organized and neat. Oh, and this right here is my little secret. I robot Roomba 675, and this vacuum right here is just makes my life so much easier. I do have the app on my phone. I could just tell it to start a certain time, even give it a certain radius to clean if that's what I need it to do, or let Alexa tell Roomba to start cleaning. It does a good job upstairs, especially I mostly use it up here because I do have some rugs downstairs. It works on the rugs perfectly also, but for the upstairs it does an amazing job. It does all the bedrooms for me. It doesn't fall off stairs, and all I have to do is take out the filter in the back and clean it out and put it back, and it would go back and charge itself in its little corner. So this, for all the busy moms, I think this might be a good idea. I will have the link in the bottom if you're interested also. Once Roomba is finished vacuuming, then I start mopping. I use Bona hardwood cleaners. Also, the mop that I'm using is the spray mop from Bona. Pretty easy. Spray some product on there, on the wood, and mop. That's it. Simple as that. so this is the finished product. I'll be back in another video to redecorate my bedroom and show you a detailed walkthrough of the bedroom and the closet as well. I hope this motivated some of you. It's very simple once you get up and get started. If you have any questions about the items I have in my bedroom, please leave them in the comments. I would answer all your questions. If you're new here, make sure you like and subscribe and press that bell button so you'll be first notified when I upload. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. I would have my Instagram link at the end of this video, so make sure you go on Instagram and follow me as well. See you next time. Bye.